So students, we have been using biotechnology since ages. You might not have been familiar that the products that we are using is actually a biotechnological product, but we have been using it traditionally from before. So let's see. We have been using biotechnology to make bread. Yes, to make bread that is from yeast, right? Cheese, again it is from bacteria and fungus like yeast. Beer and wine, that is again from yeast. So these all are fermented products, right? You might have studied these in class 8 and 9 also. We are obtaining these products by using technology of biotechnology on them. Now the next one, we have been using biotechnology to breed strong and productive animals. See students, what we used to do here, we will take two different genes from two different animals of same species. For example, we are taking one animal that will give large amount of milk, and the second one is physically strong and healthy to withstand the atmospheric changes. So what we will do, we will breed these two animals and we will obtain a high quality product. Again, for plant also we can do that to increase the yield of crop by selecting seeds from desirable plant. Here also we are taking two different genes of same plant species. Suppose one plant it is good for high yield of crop, and the second plant, it does not produce high yield, but it has a resistance to different diseases. So what we will do, we will select these two genes and we will select these two desirable plants and we will cross them to obtain a new plant that will be more better than the parent plant, right? So in this way we can increase the yield of the crop. And the last one, preparation of vaccines. A large number of vaccines is being produced by using the technique of biotechnology. Even now you might have heard scientists, they are trying to find a vaccine for coronavirus, right? Even this vaccine will be a biotechnology product. Hope now you have got an idea what exactly biotechnology is.